Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce resource allocation issues with Google Workspace, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by assessing your current resource allocation within Google Workspace. Identify the specific resources you need to manage, such as documents, calendars, and storage. Log into your Google Workspace account and navigate to the admin console. Review the organization's structure and user groups to ensure proper alignment. Check the current permissions for documents and folders under Google Drive. Set specific sharing settings to limit access to only those who need it. Utilize Google Groups to manage email distribution and calendar invites efficiently. Analyze your current usage of Google Meet for collaboration and determine if adjustments are necessary. Establish guidelines for resource allocation to help team members understand their roles. Encourage the use of Google Docs for real-time collaboration to minimize duplication of efforts. Implement the use of Google Sheets for tracking resource allocation and performance metrics. Regularly monitor the usage of Google Drive space and clean up unnecessary files. Train team members on best practices for managing their resources within Google Workspace. Set reminders to conduct periodic reviews of resource allocation to ensure it remains effective. Encourage open communication among team members to address any resource-related concerns promptly. Finally, gather feedback to continually refine and improve your resource allocation strategies. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.